Running a digital marketing agency was tough. I was hustling, trying to make a name for myself, but I was drowning in tools. CRM, email marketing, landing pages, you name it, I had a separate platform for it. I was wasting time logging in and out trying to keep everything straight. It was a mess. I was spending more time managing software than managing my clients. Something had to change. I knew there had to be a better way. I couldn't be the only one struggling with this. The worst part? All these different tools were eating into my profits. Every subscription fee felt like a punch to the gut. And the results weren't even that great. My clients deserved better. I deserved better. I needed a solution that would streamline my business, not complicated. I needed one platform that could do it all. That's when I stumbled upon GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel was like a breath of fresh air. Finally, an all-in-one platform that actually lived up to its promises. It had everything I needed: CRM, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels, the works. And the best part? It was all seamlessly integrated. No more jumping between different tools, no more wasted time. Just pure, unadulterated efficiency. I could finally focus on what mattered most: my clients and my business. GoHighLevel didn't just simplify my life, it transformed my business. With its powerful automation features, I was able to automate repetitive tasks and free up even more time. I could onboard new clients faster, nurture leads more effectively, and close deals like a boss. The results were staggering. My efficiency skyrocketed by 70% and my revenue shot up by 50%. But more importantly, I was finally in control of my business. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools and struggling to keep up, do yourself a favor and check out GoHighLevel. It's time to level up your business and unlock your true potential. Trust me, you won't regret it.